Mitsubishi Pajero spanner warning reset, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so with the ignition off, you're going to be using this button down here to the side. Flick through till you get to that screen, then press and hold that button. It's going to flash, release, press it again. So you press and hold, release, press it again, and then you have it reset. Flick the key on, and as you can see, it's now reset. And the warning's gone off. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.